In a recent development, Senate spokesman Yemi Adaramodu has criticized the actions of Senator Natasha Akpabio, who represents Kogi Central under the People's Democratic Party (PDP), over a dispute regarding seating arrangements in the Senate chamber. According to reports, Natasha refused to sit in her allocated seat during Thursday's plenary, citing Order 10 of the Senate Standing Rules, which protect members' privileges. The situation escalated to the point where Senate President Akpabio called on Senate security to remove her from the chamber. However, intervention from fellow lawmakers prevented further conflict. Speaking on Channels Television Sunrise Daily, Adaramodu, who represents Ekiti South Senatorial District, dismissed Natasha's actions, stating that the Senate is a place for serious legislative work, not entertainment or content creation. Addressing Natasha's claim of being bullied or sidelined, he pointed out that despite being a first-time senator, she was appointed as a chairperson of 3 committees, including the Committee on Foreign Affairs and NGOs. He also ruled out any disciplinary action against Natasha, noting that her Kogi State colleague, Senator Issa Jibrin, had already apologized on her behalf. He assured that the 10th Senate would not revisit the issue following the apology. While this incident has sparked reactions online, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.